Gonna get a good look at this golf cart. First peek at the batteries. And maybe I can even find out what year model it is. Look at that. And a tool tray. Not really shaped, but we'll see. I've never seen one of those before. It's kind of neat. So let's get a little closer in here and see if we can lower this down. Well, I know I can. See how dry these things are. Not too bad. Batteries don't match. Not a good sign. Let me get these tops off. I will give you a peek. I have to go with, then I have to have new batteries. But maybe these will hold enough of a charge. I can move it around in the shop while I'm working on it. Look at that. Always a half inch short, right? Alright, I get it. Not today, huh? No cooperation. So let's take a closer look at the batteries. And you can see this one here is dry. Not dry, it's just down with the cells. And then this one is not too bad. You can see a little reflection there in that battery. See if I can wiggle it a little bit, give you a little glare off the water. I mean, not enough to blind you, but you can see. Well, it does say golf cart battery. But got some in it. All right, I'm gonna top off the batteries. That's probably pretty much it for now. And then I'm gonna take that apart. I gotta figure out how that piece of chrome comes off there. I'll take that apart and let that kind of relax a little bit. Maybe I'll hit it with a heat gun to relax it, and I'll get those golf club registrations off of it and little stickers, and go from there. All right, y'all hang in there for making this old golf cart run. I haven't even figured out a name for it yet, so let's see. Will it run? Will it run? Oh, look at that. Whee!